welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are doing a Brookhaven glitches. So yeah, I know already the first glitch. So you got to go to in the water, and you got to go to this side over here, the pool this side. Everybody know this glitch, okay? You got to go inside, yeah. And inside, yeah. And go straight, no. And this is the bank. I'm lost. Yeah, I'm gonna reset because that is the easier way. Okay, just wait. Okay, now it's working. So I'm gonna this castle, exactly what she did, and get the castle, and I'm gonna go in there. So in there, I did not fall down in purpose. Okay, go inside and go to the upstairs. So go to the first room. So yeah, go into the wall on this side corner. You see that side corner, this room, and that corner. I don't know there is a other secret room. So yeah, I don't know that. So yeah, that's a glitch. Nobody knows about it. So go down and we'll try a arcade glitch. I'm gonna reset again. Okay. Okay, and go. Oh yeah. This glitch is not working properly. What happened to it? OMG, this is not working. OMG. Bro. Oh yeah, I gotta be tiny. Okay, let's try it. Basically, it's floating in the sky, so we got to try it. But it's not working. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess it's not working. Let me be big. Okay. But I did not do that. Okay, I'm gonna be big now. So yeah, I'm gonna be big. Okay, and I don't wanna type. I'm literally talking to you guys. Okay, next one is get the bicycle and go to the salon with the bicycle and go in the bicycle with the bicycle in the salon, and I don't wanna get okay. Make sure to sit in the like that, get hair washed, and don't jump, okay? Just delete it, and and get a bag, and you're sleeping. But I did not check that, okay? Bed. The first one you see. Yeah, I'm sleeping now. Okay, give me some beauty sleep. I'm gonna sleep. Let me sleep, bro. Who make me up? Who make me up? Okay, who make me? Okay, I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad. Okay. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I am so mad. Okay. By the way, you can follow me on Roblox. my username is Maya501. My MAYA slash 501. Okay, at the 501. And yeah, you cannot add me because I have 200 friends. But I had a glitch. I had 202 friends. I don't know how. So yeah, basically, bye bye. Bye, my mate.